In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number field to your Calendly booking form so you can collect contact details before a meeting is booked. This is really useful if you want to confirm appointments, reduce no-shows, or make it easier to reach invitees when needed. And if you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Calendly account and head over to the scheduling area. This is where all of your event types are managed, so once you're in the right place, look for the event you want to edit and select it. After you open your event, you'll want to find the booking page section, and from there go into Invitee questions. This is the part of Calendly that controls what people see and fill out before they can complete a booking. Now, click Add Question. This tells Calendly that you want to add a new field to your booking form. When the question options appear, look for phone number in the answer type list and select it. This will turn the field into a phone number input, so invitees can enter their contact number directly on the form. Next, decide whether the phone number should be required or optional. If you make it required, anyone booking the event will have to enter a phone number before they can continue. If you leave it optional, the booking form will still collect phone numbers from people who want to provide one, but it won't block the scheduling process if they skip it. The best choice depends on how you plan to use the information. Once you've selected the right setting, take a moment to review everything and make sure the field is exactly how you want it to appear on the booking page. Then save your changes. That's the key step that makes the new phone number field live for your Calendly event. After saving, it's a good idea to open your booking page and test it yourself. This lets you confirm that the phone number field shows up correctly and that the required or optional setting works the way you expected. A quick test like this can save you from missed details later. And that's it. You've now added a phone number to your Calendly booking form in just a few steps. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how you manage appointments and communicate with clients or customers. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software walkthrough you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.